I'm excited. This thing is nice. That's what I'm talking about. What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on a Block back again, and this time we're going to do a review on this guy. This is the Zhiyun M2 Crane. Now, as you guys know, I've been using another version of this I do all my filming with, which is actually holding my camera right now, so I can't show you, but I'll put a picture over here. And they were kind enough to send me this to review, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing, and then we're gonna take it out and do what I do. And you guys are gonna let me know what you think about it. I'll let you know what I think about it. Now, I will say the first one that I got, I was very excited about because I have been holding my cell phone, which is what I've been using to record for quite some time, as well as my Ahsoka cameras. They weren't the GoPro, because you guys know I'm always budget friendly. So I also got a case for my previous Gimbal. Now, I will say I already like the fact that this comes in a very nice box. That's awesome. So works as packing and works to hold the gimbal as well. So you guys see that. Woo! I'm excited. This thing is nice. That's what I'm talking about. Now, I do know right off the bat this is much heavier than my previous version, but it also does a lot more, so I expect it to weigh a little bit differently. Got a hand strap, USB cable for charging, and I'm sure for linking your phone to it so you can use that in the app. It's got a nice phone attachment. Oh, check that out. A nice mini tripod. Now, this is something that I had to get for my other gimbal that didn't come with it. These are very handy, so if you're doing something close quartered, or if you need to sit your gimbal down while you're repositioning something, or in my case, I was working on cars and I need to move something around or grab a tool, and you can just plop your gimbal down with this screwed into the bottom and sit it down on your table or anywhere. So that is pretty handy. The Crane-M2 works with your cell phone, like I'm using now. Also works with a GoPro, and it also works with a mirrorless DSLR or mirrorless camera. So we're going to try out the GoPro, we're going to try out the cell phone. I don't have a mirrorless camera. If one of you guys would send me one, that'd be awesome. I'll be more than happy to use it and make more videos. So we're going to test out those two things. I think I may have a camera of like size we can try that out with. Won't be a mirrorless camera, just to let you know. So let's get this thing charged up and see what it'll do. you've seen it in action. I will say I was very impressed and am very impressed with this Crane-M2 gimbal. This thing is absolutely just next level. It is super smooth when you go to pan and you're changing your angle, when you're zooming in and out. The gimbal is just absolutely amazing. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I'll leave a link in the description to how you can pick one up. And don't forget to smash that like button, and we'll see you next time.